Oh, hello. Hold on. We gotta... I may have timed that just a little early. But... let's, Oh, hey! You guys can see it. So yeah, I started, like, trying to figure out how I wanted to do this. And I think what we're gonna end up doing is we're going to do like a display menu, public, so we're going to create public. I wonder if I can do this. Public void show menu. That could probably be a Boolean. Bool B is B menu Oh, it doesn't like that. So I guess we could. Let's proceed the namespace. Okay, I know I did this wrong. I got an idea. So what we're gonna do is, because I wanted to do it all in like a function, but I'd have to have like a whole separate class for that. So we're going to go I'm actually curious how this will work. Oh, I don't think that'll work. Because we'd have to have a Boolean. Because what I was thinking was just doing like something like, you know what? Screw it. We'll do it the way we did it before. And I know there is ways to do it. You'd have to have a separate class specifically called game. And then you could do like your game functionality and your story there. Oh. Oh, hold on. Okay. Okay, it is working. Alright. So I guess we'll just do it this way. Display menu. Title menu. String. Title menu. Option. Equals those. Right. Let me unhook the mouse that I have hooked in. I'm not using the mouse right now. I'm using the touchpad. Actually, I'll do it the way we did this before. With like the other options in the other game. There are functions that we're going to need to add in. I already know that based on the other text adventure game that I was working on. So we will do console dot readline, and then we will do equals console dot readline switch dot to lower case new game. I'm doing this so that we can do various things, like just so we can test like the basic functionality of the title screen, and I can tweak how it looks. We probably won't spend a lot of time on this because it won't take that long to actually create the functionality for it. There are functions that I want to have in the game off the top of my head. So then we will do case quit game. Create alright. So you know how we do that now? Actually, we'll indent all of these. There we go. So then, there we go, and then we will do a to do here as well. So we'll just do, I think it's create a function with the following parameters. Input string to prompt user to select from the choices above. String to reset the switch statement. Int for thread dot sleep. There we go. I will be right back. Alright, we're back. Alright. Let's... Actually, I'm pretty sure we could just hard code all that. So what's the error? Oh. Switch. Oh, I just forgot a semicolon. There. Alright. So now we're going to save this. I'm going to... Oh, okay. It is showing. Perfect. So, what we're going to do... We are going to... add it in basic title screen. I'm going to create another branch very quickly. Create a new branch, and we're going to call it main menu. Publish branch. Okay. New game started. And this is just gonna be like your basic main menu stuff as well. Void quit game. Alright, we're gonna do CW. We're going to say goodbye. And then I'm gonna do thread dot sleep 2000 goodbye, and then it's system dot environment dot exit. Should exit with a 0. Should exit with no errors, so anytime quit game is called, what? Oh, it's got to be within main. So hold on a second. Here's what we'll do. Control C. And then we will go boom. There we go. Perfect. Quit game. And we should honestly, we won't be doing nearly as much here. Oh my God! My laptop almost fell off the freaking monitor stand. Great, now I gotta deal with the screen going, what do you want me to do? Anyway. Let's, and we are gonna want to test this. But we also want a function. Well, So what did I say? String string Actually, what we'll do is just that. Okay. Error message. I think we'll do 2000. Actually, what we'll do is just that. Well, oh, we could do it like this. $2,000. Hit that. I think it's console.clear. And then I will then also write a prompted clear screen. Alright. We're making a little bit of progress. This should work. Should. We're gonna test it. Sorry, I just had to like sit and think for a minute. So we open a terminal. I can actually remove all of those issues here, but we'll do .NET Run. So basically, we're gonna test. Okay, cool. So let's see what happens if I press 3. Huh? We reset the title menu option, don't we? Yeah, we do. Yeah, it doesn't like that I tried that, so I'll have to debug that a little bit. Because we did the error message first. Okay, so let me back this up here. Huh. So let me do something here. Because this may not work. It may not like that I'm trying to pass it a variable. Or if, do I have to return it? I probably have to hold on. Let me try that. I guess I never thought of that. People go, he says he has programming experience. I do. Alright. Alright, let me see if that works. Because it's not going to reset everything. It's not going to reset it if... Let's try that. That'll work. Oh, it works. Title screen. Okay. So all I had to do was make it actually return the string. Because I could have sworn in the other project it was actually a void function, which means you don't have to return anything. But if you want it to return a string, you have to have that data type. So now we're going to say alright, and then we can merge the two. I'm going to do like a feature branch. So I'm not like directly committing to main. So I will have to go to GitHub and do this. So give me a sec. Game off. Is it this one? No. Aha. Pull request. Compare and pull. Title screen implemented. Title screen. Okay. Create pull request. Alright. We'll make sure it works. Yep. It works. Okay, I'm gonna go into this branch here. I'm actually gonna go into pull requests. Closed. Delete the branch. We're gonna switch over to main. We're going to... There we go. So I mean, like, in the, what, 30 some odd minutes we've been live, we've gotten the title screen up and running. And it kind of works. Since we don't have, a story for this yet, it's a text-based adventure. I don't have really much of a story for it at the moment, but I am going to add something to the quit game a little bit later, where we say, hey, we're gonna quit the game in 2 seconds. Goodbye. But the error message, the reason that's kind of a thing, its initial value is never used. Yeah, but we have to have it as an input because whatever. Okay, so I guess we could come up with like a generic story. So I don't know. I don't know what mystery we could solve. But I am going to take a quick bathroom break. So I will see you guys in a little bit. We'll be right back. So I don't have a story for this project off the top of my head. But before we continue, I'm actually going to create a new branch, call it story. We will publish the branch. And yeah, we don't really have a story yet. But I wanted to do like a, because like I'm actually gonna pull up the Jamdock so I can see which one is it. Is it? I think it's this one, right? Yep, docs. Start, finish. So if the theme is secret, information or knowledge, a mystery, unknown, or unknown fact, for example, you know, hidden secrets of a lost civilization. So we could do so they actually had I'm kind of like trying to figure out the story because I wanted to do a game that didn't really have much of a story. Or if it, like, because we've had to change our entire platform, like our entire game idea, because OBS and Unreal Engine just don't seem to like each other. So, intended to be mysterious or cryptic, you could do the mystery. I honestly want to do like the mystery of, or like, you're gonna be exploring the ruins of an ancient city. Actually, that could work. Hold on. So we'll comment this line out here. You are an explorer. I want to set the scene. The year is 1849. And you've set out I don't really know like what I would have for. Hold on. I do want to see if my mic sounds decent, but give me a second. Okay, it does. Okay. Let's get back to work. I don't know We're gonna make this a... Huh. I generally... Yes, I'm using a name generator because I'm at the point... I mean, this is all we have. Like, I have to come up with a location. It's gonna be like a completely... It's gonna be a complete fantasy kind of thing, because I don't really know. I want, like... Because, like, there are civilizations that just disappeared one day. And nobody knows why. Actually, I was gonna do like sea-based, but I was gonna do sea-based names, but we can also work that as well. But this is just a guess here. But I don't really know what to do, so we're gonna just guess and... known as Shattered Harmony Refuge. I should just go ancient. I don't know if that's one word. This is just a basic kind of thing to see if I can figure out what to do. And I will be doing more work on this off stream. So I'm going to turn on my phone really quick. Okay, there we go. Actually, let's make this a little more fantasy-like. Instead of 1849, let's do 210. Actually, no, 1849 would be perfect. Because you're trying to figure out. First of all, you have to figure out the location. You know, that'll be the first thing. Discovered hydroelectricity. Part of me wants to prompt like well, I have to come up with like book names and stuff. Now too, so oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right. So I have to come up with books now. Because, like, that's the thing, like, historical, like, I have to make it sound kind of legitimate, like some sources would do, and some sources will hyperbolize, but there are some that were kind of straightforward and went, no, this happened. I don't know what to do at this point. Like, you know, I mean, like, right now I'm just gonna focus on getting like the story started. We have 30 days. We have the basic functionality down. There's not going to be a battle system. I think I figured out how that's going to work. Like if we do, it's not going to be like super long. You're not going to have like different attack things. You're going to, you're going to have a, basic skill set of what you're going to do. But I'm also like trying to think of like what would you use, you have to use like the texts or the texts that you have at your disposal. So I'm not 100% sure, but we'll go with it. So do we want to just look at like say, do you want to read texts and stuff? You have to find a potential location of this civilization. Luckily, you have texts that may give you the solution. Whoop. The location. So I kinda wanted to just I'd say, however, alright, we're gonna go switch. I guess I should do proper formatting. Excuse me. I will always get rid of the system directive. And we'll always do... We won't do a third option, but I will also say press Q at any point to quit. But I have to figure out when to prompt, and I will probably prompt when the new game case starts to look at maps. Player init choice console dot read line. I screwed up here. Hold on. I do intend on actually putting the message in there. You know. Oh, that should be double quotes. Sorry. I want to put a comment above each case and just say what they are or what they're for, so oh, hold on. I did a not smart thing. So we're gonna say from in I keep thinking I hit L, but I think I'm just gonna do read. There we go. So I'll just do that to have them there. I have to do the other options as well, so I'm just gonna make sure everything is aligned as well. And I'll put a comment above each case. Read books. Look at maps. Alright. I don't know how long I want to go live today, but this is usually a day I play some games. But we're not going to do that today. We're working on stuff because we didn't really work on a lot of stuff yesterday. So, I don't think we're going to go live for too terribly long today because I'm still trying to figure stuff out, but I do want to kind of like show like, hey, we are getting stuff done. So I'm going to update the changes and go. I'm going to do that. I know we've only been live for like an hour and a half, roughly, so it's not that bad, but... And it seems like our stream has went kind of smoother like today. I don't know why OBS is having some issues. I'm assuming it was because of the NVENC encoding, but I'm not entirely sure if that was conclusively the issue. But, and people go, well, how old's, like, if anybody wants to know, the computer's running a Core i7 10th gen with a 2080 Super. And yes, I am on Linux. I have the NVIDIA drivers installed. So this is just, like, that was just a guess at that point of, like, maybe it's the stuff, or, like, the encoding stuff. But I am going to just say started story. But yeah, I'm not really sure what caused that issue this morning, but I think we got it figured out. But yeah, we basically just created a bunch of functions and all that where we could quit game. Well then, if that is the case, then we have to like tab all this over. 1. Wait, what the heck? Okay, so I just fixed some indentation. During one of these, or during both of these at some point, we will call for a prompted clear screen. So, I don't intend it to be a super long game, but you know, we'll see what happens. mean, at this point... Oh. At this point, I'm just trying to figure out, like, the basics of it. Oh. Anyway, yeah. I don't think it'll be a long game by any means. It's just, I don't really know what to do. But yeah, I generally don't know. But, I think we're going to end the stream a bit early today. We did stream a little bit yesterday, so we will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm not going to guarantee nothing in the dang laptop. But we will see you guys. Well, hell, we might be live a little longer, but hold on. I got to make sure. We'll probably go live a little longer. I just don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do for these, because we're gonna need a switch of 3 books, or like a couple different texts and stuff. But I don't have I don't have any ideas of how to do this. I'm not an archaeologist, so I don't know the process behind it. But we're gonna go off of like the interesting stuff. But I am gonna end the stream a bit early today. I'm feeling kind of tired, so we will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. I can't promise nothing, so we'll see you then. Bye.